My name is Alex Schwartz, and I'm the Hardware Engineering Manager here at Imatest. Today I'll be showcasing the macOS version of our Spectral Sensor app. This app is a companion utility app to Imatest Bluetooth light sensors. The app wirelessly interfaces with the Imatest Low Light Sensor and the Imatest Spectral Illuminance Color Sensor. When you first open the app, it adapts to your computer's settings, supporting both light and dark modes. You can also switch between light and dark mode directly in the UI. From the Connection Manager, the link button at the top, we can see our available sensors. Let's say we don't have a physical device on hand. Well, we can open some example data that comes preloaded in documents/examples when you open the app. So let's take a look at some example low light sensor data. We can see illuminance over time. We can scrub through this plot. We can look at the fake thermometer data in both Celsius and Fahrenheit. Let's start by connecting to a real low light sensor. So I'll remove this connection and then connect to our actual sensor, which we saw has the serial number displayed. The app defaults to single capture mode, so when I click this button, we get a luminance value, and then clicking it again, we see the 2 timestamps. Clicking it again, we have 3 timestamps. And we can see the illuminance value update every time that we take a capture. Switching to continuous mode, we can see the live plot. So now the lux values will update in real time, and we can switch to large lux mode, which is very convenient for reading lux values from across a dimly lit lab or studio. These values update in real time as well. And now we'll connect to a second device, the Imatest Spectral Illuminance Color Sensor. So connecting to the second device brings up the dashboard view. We can control all of our connected sensors from the dashboard view, and now we are getting a live reading from both of these sensors. So the Spectral Illuminance Color Sensor is a bit slower, but it's incredibly detailed. We have our spectral power distribution plot, and we can scrub through this plot and see the intensity at different wavelengths. So I'm going to put these sensors on the test stand, and we can see how it reacts to different colors of LED lighting. So right away we can see a more narrow band of yellow-orange, but I have the Imatest hardware control pulled up, controlling our Kino flows, and I can cycle through different LED settings, and we can see more narrow bands of light update in real time. A little bit of teal there, blue, purple. All of these are updating in real time. So with the Spectral Illuminance Color Sensor, we also have full photometry, colorimetry, and wavelength analysis data updating in real time. We can copy all of this data at once. We can also copy some of these main metric cards individually. In the Chromaticity tab, we have our color space plots. So we've got the 1931 plot, which also updates in real time, and we can scrub through this plot. And this is where it becomes an educational tool. We can learn our LAB coordinates, our CIE coordinates, where we can see what coordinate corresponds to what color. We have the 1931 plot, the 1960 plot, and the 1976 plot, which all update in real time. And lastly, we have the LAB plot. And with all of these plots, we can scrub through and learn our coordinates. We also have a CRI radial plot, a standard deviation of color matching index plot, and our color rendering index bands. And again, all of these update in real time. So this whole time we were taking live measurements, we were also updating the illuminance over time plot. And we can scrub through this plot and see at which timestamps correspond to different lighting intensities. I can clear this plot at any time to restart our measurement, and I can save our data to our example folders or to a separate folder. So we default to the example folders that we've created when we first launched the app, and now I can access that data, which includes the illuminance over time plot, the spectral data, the color plots. Everything is saved in those folders. And they also have cross functionality with the iPhone app. So going back to the dashboard view, we can switch between Celsius and Fahrenheit on the low light illuminance, and we can also see this is the illuminance over time that we are capturing simultaneously with the color sensor. Thank you for watching my demo. I hope these sensors and this